When another child does something wrong, some kids rush to tattle. They might tattle because it makes them feel important, or they want to show the adult that they're better than the misbehaving kid. Or maybe they just don't know what else to do when they have a problem with another child. Tattling is not a good way to make or keep friends. Before going to an adult, your child should ask themselves, will someone get hurt? Will something get broken? Does someone need help? And have they tried 2 ways to solve the problem themselves? In those situations, it's not tattling, it's telling. Your child might say, but what if someone is breaking a rule and the adult does nothing to stop it? Tell your child, don't be the playground police. It's not their job to correct another kid. Trying to get someone in trouble, that's tattling, and it's not kind.